Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm installing the Sierra braid locks. They are in 24 inches. I have them in the color 1B and T230 from Toyotress. So if you guys are interested in seeing this installation process, continue to watch. Alright, so we're doing this for beginners, okay? Because I myself am a beginner. So what I'm doing is prepping my base, and what I'm doing is parting half of my head. Half in the back will be braided straight back, and the other front, as you can see, will be with the square parting space, and just braiding the back and connecting them with each other. So here is an example. This is my first time ever doing this by myself, you guys, so bear with me. So what I'm doing is braiding one area that I've already parted off, and then we're just going to halfway leave that done. And then I'm going to part the next braided space, which is parted into a square as well. I'm using some regular gel on my hair just to hold it together and make it look all clean. And then I'm going to connect that first braid into the second braid, so that way we'll have a flat surface and we can connect or install the locks and look as if the scalp is showing. It's just going to help it look a lot more fancy, even though we just got a regular braided base underneath. So then once I get the front part of my head done, the first half, then I'm just going to braid the rest of my hair in the back, just straight back, and then we're going to install the crochet locks that way. So I'm going to show you what the finished look looks like, and this is what my base looks like. Of course, over time, you know, your girl will get better with the braids, but I am not a braider, y'all. But I made it work, and these locks have been in my hair now for a week and a half, and they're still holding up very well. So I immediately know the next question is going to be, will you be able to see the braids in the back, considering how my braid pattern looks? And no, you will not. You're going to see. Keep watching. These are the tools that we're using. So of course you need your crochet tool to get the crochets installed. I go in a downward motion and I hook the lock onto the needle and I pull it through. And then you just pull the end of the lock into the loop, and then you'll just pull it tight. And then you're just going to repeat those steps for each block that you install. So now I'm just gonna let the time run through so you can just see how I get all these installed and how we get a full head of hair, so you can see what that finished process looks like. So once I actually put the locks in and then put them on the braids that are going straight back, there will be slight openings if you wear your hair up in a bun or half up, half down do. You'll see a little bit of my free hair, of course, from the braids. But what you want to do is just go in those open areas, add the rest of the remaining of your locks into that open area. And then you're going to cover any exposed hair that is showing. So you're just going to add it anywhere where it's empty, basically. And it'll be full, it'll be secure, it's not going to move, your hair is braided up. But that is how I finesse it so that I can actually wear the multiple styles with this hair and not being afraid that my hair is going to be showing in the back. Hey y'all are literally seeing a beginner achieve this look. So if I can do it, y'all, I know you can do it, because my braiding skills are literally on a scale of 1 to 10, probably like a 4, possibly a 5, but we are not all the way there yet. But this was such an easy method, you guys. Like, I was very pleased with how they came out. The quality of these Sierra braid locks are really good, like really nice. I got so many compliments on this hair. I love the style. You can add like some jewels into it if you want to, you know, make it a little bit fun. You can also do multiple styles with this type of installation process. I'll have pictures of the different styles that you can try on my Instagram. They also can be found on the thumbnail. I didn't show them in the video, but it can certainly be done. So if you guys are interested in these locks, make sure you check out my description bar below. I do have a direct link there for you, so you can get these exact same braids. So I do want to say thank you to Toyotress for sending over the Sierra braid locks. I want to say thank you to y'all for watching. I hope it helps out some people who might just want to step out on faith and try out something new and see if you can install them yourself. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.